So this is a rammed earth house, and what we're doing here is we're basically recreating stone. We're using a mixture of sand and gravel and water and cement, and we're ramming it into a formwork in order to make a wall that's both durable and beautiful looking. It's essentially like making sandstone. We ram it in there and it becomes a solid piece. We'll go over in a bit and you'll see the gravel that we'll use to make the rammed earth, and it's really quite a loose, soft, fluffy pile of dirt, and by ramming it down it gets stronger. So we can use less cement in our walls than a concrete wall, which is important because cement creates a lot of greenhouse gases when you create it. So we use about 10% cement versus upwards of 30% in a concrete wall. So we achieve strength by compacting everything really tight and by making a very thick wall. We have insulation that's in the middle of our wall, and then we have rammed earth on either side. So what you see right here will be the inside of the wall as well. Their color goes right through the whole wall. So this is rammed earth ready to be rammed. It's very dry. There's only enough water in there to make the cement work. So as you can see, we mix it up, we shovel it into the forms, and then he rams it down. But check it out. That's it. That's going to turn into a solid wall when it hardens. So here's an example of what we can do with different coloring as well. You can see how we have dark layers and then some reds and some whites. This just involves mixing in different iron oxide, so a powdered coloring that they use in normal concrete. We add it to our mix and it gets swirled in when we ram the walls. You can tell we ram the walls in different heights. So we'll shovel in a bit and then pack it down. Shovel in a bit, pack it down. Shovel in, pack it down. So this is an area where we will have our electrical boxes. This is the outside of the house, and you can see how the insulation is already within the wall. And we are using recycled mineral wool. So this is a product that's made from mine tailings, so leftover dirt piles from a mine, and also blast furnace slag, so leftover stuff from a steel refinery. So this is a recycled product. We're using very little cement in our walls. We're trying to make this house as green as possible. We're trying to have a very small carbon footprint with our homes. We're building luxury homes, but they'll be using less energy than the average 2,000 square foot bungalow.